Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Hope everyone is fine and definitely get on well. Okay, what do you think? Okay, let me show you one thing, guys. For this listed one, if you want to make it listed, it doesn't matter. Like for listed, I just made it into listed name because yeah, it could be for something else too. I mean, for listening, if name, now you can put some variable, a lot of values like J or J, Hannah, Hannah, comma, because these are tuples. These are not tuples, these are lists. So, J, what else? Um, Dawn. If that is, then train this. Let me see. Why is it if name equals that range of hundreds? So you can do that. You can do that. You can do that too. Okay. So you can do that on a listed way. So this and that for this specific people. Okay. Like this is only for the people named Hannah, Jay, Dawn. Okay. So this is basically you just made for three people, and if not trained, if you verify this name within this range of 100 is too much, is the range of 3 because you're gonna put it on for 3%. Train uh, correct name in the list. Okay. And this listed name. Okay. And you can put more like you want to make like in some other value. Joy. No, you can change it into using EINS into your keyboard. Okay, Joy, Roy, or you can go with Mix. You can go with this also. So you change your value. I mean name variable, name value, not a variable. For I mean this is your name variable, listed name. You can name into some other names too. That is your wish. Uh, correct name in the list also. Okay. Or you just made it else. Okay. Undefined list or whatever. Okay. So you made the list for this specific, for instance. So just like that, if it is undefined somehow, so it will be always make it into clear version. So what is that clear version? Destination, contact for uh, what is that? Listed name, right? So you just put it listed name. Okay. So, okay, this is your variable. Then you cannot do that. Then okay. Okay. What is it? Contact at gmail.com. Okay. Friend Lal Bazar Delhi, whatever, India. Okay. So friend Masuma org. Okay. This is your capture or this is your contact information. Or you can do whatever you want to do. You can do whatever you want to do. Basically, you just make it into happen like this. Okay, this is just a reminder for every three people. So this is just a reminder for every three people. You you have to remember within this code for every three people. Why I'm saying this, because this will define all the time. So when you just define all the time for these three people, it will, how you gonna call it? Just call them with this listed range and contact for listed name. So you just call them contact for listed name. That's it. Why is it showing this? I don't know. Let me see. It is showing here. I don't know. No, it doesn't have any problem. I don't know why is it showing this way. So let me see if it has any problem here. And yeah, that is all. Mhm. I don't see any problem here. Okay, so probably this is the problem. So Python has this problem all the time. So that when you call them, it has to be out of this line. So that it doesn't interfere within these commands and all. So it has always this problem. So let's call it. Okay, member name please. So if we arrange for these three people and again we arrange for these three people again. So let's call it Anna undefined list. I don't know why. Uh, uh, let's call for three people, right? Roy undefined list. Smith undefined list also. So this is happening. What is going on? So it is showing contact information of, can you see this thing showed already the contact information here which we created. So every time you define this and everything. But why is it showing undefined list every time? I do not know. but we will figure it out. So that means here is something very fishy here. We made a list here. We didn't have any problem with those leads. Okay, like Noakhali, Pomila, Chandpur, Rajshahi, Pabla, and Delhi and Kolkata is wrong city in case of the city. So when you're doing undefined list, else would be undefined list. So you found member name please. Did you define the member name? See, listed name every time it was working, but it has still a problem within this undefined list. I don't know how is it possible. Let me clear this up or save the file again. You can save all or Control F will be saving all. Then you create this thing and call this again. For example, Roy. Again, it is showing undefined list, and Joy, and again J. Again, it is showing the undefined list. That is the problem. Here is something problem very fishy here. Function name should not be lowercase. I don't know what kind of function name he is looking for. Function name should be lowercase. Should be lowercase. I don't know. I did all lower cases. Did you guys find any problem here? I don't know. Okay, if you found any problem, show me, tell me. Please comment on, send me the code in the comments so that I can understand. Anyway, thank you so much for you guys, and thank you.